today's a little special staycation for myself at the St Regis Bangkok, and it was a pretty interesting check-in experience. It's very mellow, it's very chill, lots of play on lighting, a lot of personalized service. Even though I was supposed to get 2 p.m. checkout because I'm Marriott Gold member, and they're kind of fishing for the time, hey, is noon okay? And it's no, I'm supposed to get 2 p.m. so give me 2 p.m. But other than that, I think it was a trainee. She didn't seem too confident in herself, but other than that, so far good experience. Got a nice espresso at the cafe before coming up to the room. Again, that lounge area is pretty cool, and they had a breakfast buffet special for about 500 baht, so it's not bad. It's 15 bucks, so I'll be enjoying that tomorrow morning. But yeah, I'm in the room. Look at this bad boy. It's glorious. It's really nice. And it's so interesting because the room is so bright and the hallway is so dark. You get this when you open the door, it's just wow! It's a very magnificent feeling. You can see how excited I am. So, here we go. This is the room. It's pretty nice. Nice TV right there. I mean, it's fairly spacious. You got a nice little seating area, couch, nice king bed here. Looks pretty great. And actually there's, I just noticed this right now, but some welcome macaroons and fruit. Although I think this is fake. No, this is not fake. That looks real. I don't know why I thought it was fake. I don't know why I thought it was fake, but it just looked a little too perfect, I guess. But yeah, these macaroons look pretty good. I think I'm gonna snag one. Maybe this one? Let's see. Should I just do I'm just gonna pop the whole thing in. Yeah, they're good. Cool. So, I think I was saying, quite a spacious room, which is kind of what you walk into right here. And then there's me. The bathroom looks pretty gorgeous as well. Nice bathtub. The shower looks really tempting, but overall, it presents really well. I would have to admit. This is kind of an interesting design too. There's a door on this side that comes in through the front here. This is the front door. Place for your keys. Some storage and such. Although it's a tad dark. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah. Oh, actually, this is for luggage, so let's not be heathens. There you go. My one backpack for the one night. Yeah, so when you come in, you have access to the bathroom here. Wow. Pretty sure this bathroom is bigger than my whole apartment in Tokyo. Yeah, looks pretty good. Yeah, all the little amenities are going to be pretty nice here. Wish you could add a little more drinking water though. Kind of on the small side. I'm gonna turn this TV off. Alright, there we go. A little peace and quiet. I mean, it's deadly silent in this hotel. It's crazy once you get up to the room floors. Yeah. So cool. Got us some masks, hand sanitizer. This is always a plus. More drinking water is not bad. Yeah. So like there's like TWGT, so it's kind of interesting. Like, you know, like most hotels give you a little coffee maker and stuff, but this is like branded, you know, it's like a Nespresso, although it's like missing two, which is a little odd. But some nice TWGT here. It's interesting. I don't know why I got an espresso downstairs, because they obviously have an espresso machine here. Mini bar. What we got here is some random. Wow, this place is stocked. You know, if you want to pay for it. Oh, here we go. Snackies, some condoms. I mean, aside from like the W hotel, I've rarely seen condoms just like in the drawer there, but it's kind of interesting. Yeah. Man, this couch is pretty comfy. These macaroons are pretty good, actually. And whatever these little things are. Chocolate covered raisins. Got the butler came by. Actually, you can he'll like come in and give you orientation of the room and like unpack your luggage and pack your, I mean, it's like, that's really cool, actually. Cool dude, suit, decked out, really nice. Asked me if I wanted coffee, tea, room tour, unpack my luggage, like whatever. So that was super awesome. Oh yeah, wow. This place is cool. It's growing on me. I mean, it is a pretty nice hotel, so I'm not gonna be like running around with the camera, so we'll see how much else I can capture without annoying the other guests, you know. Because it seems like they're 50s and up and wouldn't really understand the camera running around the place and me narrating everything. So I actually was pretty quiet during the check-in process, and I tried to capture some angles and stuff. So yeah, we'll see what I can get. But I would like to do the breakfast thing tomorrow, so I'm pretty excited about that. But I'm just gonna be chilling in the room. Look at this bed. It's gonna be relaxing, enjoying myself. Yeah, so cool. What was cool was that they actually said that there's a gym on site, which is like pretty standard, of course, but there's a trainer available as well that's like for guests. So if you want to go to the gym, you'll actually have a trainer that could like spot you and do all this other stuff. So I thought that was a very high level, that was very interesting, I would say. And then also there's like butler service too. So, you know, if you want to dine in your room, if you want, you know, things like that, they also provide that. Of course, I think you gotta buy a meal, but you know.